Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the word problems of addition. In previous classes we have discussed if there is given in the column form or chart form, that means two numbers are given or three numbers are given to add, just add that and we get the sum of the numbers. Today we are going to, if there is given in the word form, a question is given in the word form, then how we will solve and how we will write the answer. Today we will discuss. So one example is given in the book. Shraddha had 385 marbles. Her brother had 515 marbles. How many marbles did they have in all? Shraddha had 385 marbles. Her brother had 515 marbles. Then in total, Shraddha as well as her brother have how many marbles? So how we will write the answers of this question? First we write what is given, which numbers are given, and what is given we just write that. That is our first step. So first we will write what is given. Here given Shraddha had 385 marbles. So first here written Shraddha had 385 marbles and her brother had 515 marbles. Our question is what? How many marbles did they have in all? So we will try to find out the answer of this question. So to find out the total, we have to add the number of marbles which Shraddha had or as well as her brother had. Okay, so we have to add the marbles, number of marbles. So here addition of 385 and 515 is already done. When we add 385, 515, what we do first? We arrange the number in the columns of hundreds, tens and ones. So here it is already arranged. Then our next step is to add the digits which are in the column of ones. So we will add 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is equal to how much? It's equal to 10. Okay. Here 2 digits is here. So what we will do? We just write the ones digit. So we have to write 0. What is already written here. Okay. Zero is written here, but 1, what we will do? This one we carry to the column of the tens. Okay, so here it is carry out 1 to the column of tens. Then we have to add the digits which are placed in the column of tens. The one which is carried over, then 8 and 1. So 1 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is 10 tens. So in this number 0 each tens digit and 1 each 100 digit. So again we have to write only tens digit. So here it is written. Then next again we carried over this one to 100 place. Okay. So now we have to add the digits which are placed in the column of 100. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So the total is 900. Okay, when we add 385 and 515, we get 900. So the last step is to write the answer. So in all they had 385 plus 585 is equal to 900 marbles. Again I want to repeat, when we start to write the answer of word problems, we have to write what is given. What are given? First we write, then we add the numbers, means what is given, we have to just add it. Second step is this, and third step we have to write in the word form the answer of this question what is given. So in all they had, how many marbles did they have in all? So in all they had 385 plus 550 is equal to 900 marbles. Okay, I think there is no any doubt in this question how to solve. Okay, then exercise 2C. In exercise 2C, the questions are all word problems. First question, a book contains 124 pages and another book contains 263 pages. How many pages are there in these two books? We have to find out in total how many pages. If we add the pages of these two books, how many pages are there? So first what we will do, we write what are given. A book contains 124 pages and another book contains 263 pages. Okay, then next step is add here 124 plus 263. First we arrange these two numbers in the column of ones, tens and hundreds. Then we add. Okay, so first we have written, I have written what is contains, means what is given. So in question number 1, given a book contains 124 pages and another book contains 263 pages. First I wrote here. Then second step is to add in this format. So first we arrange. First I have arranged here in the columns of ones, tens and hundreds. Then I have added that the digits which are placed in the column of ones, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Then next step is to add the digits which are placed in the column of tens. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Then next step, the digits which are placed in the columns of hundreds we have to add. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 387. So the sum of these two numbers is 387. Then next step, how we will write what is given. In this format, the last question is given. According to that, we have to write how many pages are there in these two books. So if we write the answer in this way, so we have to write there are. So I have written here, so there are 124 plus 263, each equal to 387 pages in these two books. Okay, in this way you have to solve the other questions which are given in the exercise 2C. Okay, thank you. In some questions also, I have already learned how to add if there are given 3 numbers as well as 2 numbers. So in some question also 3 numbers is there. So you know very well how to add if there are given 3 numbers and as well as 2 numbers. As well as we have also learned what without carry, how we will write, how we will solve, as well as with carrying, how we will solve. So you have to try and solve the questions which are given in the exercise 2C. Thank you.